Hello kids! Welcome to Giggly Brain Box. Let's learn numbers. Number 1. 1. Rabbit. O-N-E 1. Number 2. 2. Elephants. T-W-O 2. Number 3. 3. Bananas. T-H-R-E-E 3. Number 4. 4. Parrots. F-O-U-R 4. Number 5. 5. Oranges. F-I-V-E 5. Number 6. 6. Pencils. S-I-X 6. Number 7. 7. Chairs. S-E-V-E-N 7. Number 8. 8. Unicorns. E-I-G-H-T 8. Number 9. 9. Mangoes. N-I-N-E 9. Number 10. 10. Candies. T-E-N 10. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more fun learning videos. Happy fun learning!